abundance, and gratitude to all. When I tell you that if you actually really took a specific organ on your body, whether it's your tongue, your brain, your endocrine gland system, your liver, your kidney, and you actually studied it and understood its functionalities, you will be fucking blown away. Understand and overstand they're always going to use and depict the complex cell when they talking about science, biology, anatomy. But what I will tell you is that when you understand from a universal scientific level, a different level of consciousness, to know how powerful each and every part of your body is, you would understand why this species spends so much time dissecting you and poisoning you at the same time. Well, keeping you poisoned so they can dissect you. Check this out.
Your tongue isn't just made for tasting food. It's actually one of the most powerful muscles in your body. And if it stopped working for even 60 seconds, you wouldn't be able to speak properly. You wouldn't be able to swallow food. And you wouldn't be able to taste anything. Look, the tongue doesn't just detect flavors. It's actually a multi-tool biological machine. Most people think the tongue can only recognize sweet, sour, and salty tastes. But in reality, your tongue detects 5 basic tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. And taste buds aren't only on your tongue. They also exist in the back of your throat and inside your mouth. Many people believe that different parts of the tongue are responsible for different tastes. But that's actually a myth. In reality, almost the entire tongue can detect every taste. Now let's talk about its real power. Your tongue is something called a muscular hydrostat. That means it has no bones, yet it can perform incredibly precise movements. When you speak, your tongue shapes the air to form words. And when you swallow food, your tongue pushes it toward the throat. If the tongue doesn't work properly, food can actually choke your airway. Now here's the evolution angle. For our ancestors, the tongue was a survival tool. Detecting bitter taste helped them identify poison. Detecting sweet taste helped them find energy-rich food. So your tongue doesn't just make food enjoyable, it actually helps keep you alive. And here's the most surprising part. Doctors can often identify health problems just by looking at your tongue. A white coating can indicate an infection. A yellow tongue may signal digestion problems. And a blue tongue can indicate an oxygen issue, which means your tongue is actually a live health report of your body. So the next time you taste something, remember this. It's not just flavor. It's an ultra-precise biological sensor that is constantly monitoring your body every second.
And again, as I stated to you, if you was to just take one of your main intricate body parts and really studied it, you will start to see how powerful you truly are. The cell phone, the laptops, the computers, the games, the materialistic things, none of that shit measures. None of that shit comes to any type of measurement when it's measured against our genetics, our anatomy, the functionalities in your hair, what it does and how it connects to the earth, your skin, your eyes. I mean, even down to your nails, your urine, your feces. They study these things with us because that's how powerful we truly are. But when you have grown to be lazy or programmed to be lazy and look outwardly for everything, you will never see the beauty in you because you think beauty only exists outside of you, and beauty only exists when it's appealing to the eyes. But there is a lot of beauty out here that's not appealing to the complex eyes that is very powerful and beautiful to you. Let's start with that gas giant in the sky that produces UV light. Let's start with that. So again, I appreciate you. Continue to make excuses on why you're not studying your autonomy and passing this information to your children so they don't be in mental slavery Whereas though they think a BMW, a Rolls Royce, a Bentley, a private jet, money, jewelry in their fucking mouth, gold, where they don't think that that is more important than their own consciousness, than their own blood, than their own skin. That's crazy. I value and appreciate you all. You all have an amazing, supreme, cosmic rest of your day.